Good day, sir. I am Andy Suyat from BS Cream 3J, and I will share my knowledge about our topic. So let's start. We are the Group 6. Our topic is all about cross-cultural communication, wherein refers to the ongoing learning process. It enriches personal and professional interaction, fosters global collaboration, and promotes greater cultural sensitivity. Success lies in developing cultural intelligence, staying curious, and practicing respect for differences. Cross-cultural communication is vital in law enforcement because it directly impacts community trust, effectiveness, and maintaining public safety, and the equitable application of justice. Overall, cross-cultural communication enhances the legitimacy, fairness, and effectiveness of law enforcement, which is essential in increasingly diverse societies. As a student, I learned a lot about our topic of cross-cultural communication because it make easier for you to work for a global business and successfully build relationship with business partnership from other countries. And also because of cross-curricular communication has opened up perspective, I'd learned that understanding nonverbal clues, cultural rules and regulation, and the context of people action are essential elements of effective communication, which beyond words and encourage acceptance and helps prepare students to thrive in an exponentially diverse world. Cross-cultural communication plays a crucial role in the journey to becoming a successful law enforcer as it directly impacts the ability to serve and protect diverse communities effectively. Law enforcement officers encounter individuals from various cultural, ethnic, and linguistic backgrounds, and developing strong cross-cultural communication skills enhance their ability to build trust, de-escalate conflict, and ensure equitable treatment. Where in social, education, or professional environment, cross-cultural communication is an essential ability for success in globalized world of today. It promotes cooperate across differences in culture, reduce conflict, and increase understanding. Learning cross-cultural communication gives you the information and abilities you need to manage interaction between individuals from different cultural backgrounds. The main point of my reflection is that effective cross-cultural communication is essential law enforcement capability. It improves comprehensive, builds confidence, and support fair and equal policing. I'm committed to serve different organizations with professionalism and respect. Therefore, this experience has motivated me to keep improving these skills. I feel better prepared to face the challenge of law enforcement and have a positive impact on my field by embracing cultural diversity. Thank you.